Look, it's purple.
Whoa, check it out. Good morning, guys. We have dropped Logan off for his very last day of day camp, and now me and the kids are taking care of some things. So first, I think we are gonna go to a car wash.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to a car wash?
Yeah.
You think so? So we can clean this car. It's so dirty. Daddy went camping this last week and it is a mess in here, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go wash it off.
Please select your wash package now. Would you please wait while your card is being authorized?
After the car wash, if it is ready.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Hannah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Bye.
Whoa. What do you think?
Look, it's purple.
Whoa, check it out.
Yeah.
Here. Oh, Hannah's trying to touch it.
But Hannah can't touch it. Dad, then they'll have to dry it off.
Yeah, they will dry it off.
Is the meal okay?
Oh, it's purple. Can't see anything.
Yeah. What is it doing?
Whoa,
It's drying.
it's washing it off. Woo! Wait. Holy cow!
Now what is it going to do?
What's it gonna do? I don't know. What? What? Whoa! What's that? I don't know. Wow! Is that funny? Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting a house.
You like it?
Yeah. Do you like it? It's coming back down.
Ta-da! We're all done! What did you think, Liliana? You liked it? Woohoo! Now, I don't know, I'm thinking about going to find somewhere that could vacuum our car because it's a mess in here. And if the outside's clean, the inside should be clean. So let's see if we can find anything. I found somewhere with a vacuum. I've never actually vacuumed at one of these places before. We always just use our vacuum, but now we're in an apartment and our car gets gross. I've tried sweeping my car out before. So I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna go try and figure it out.
Sad. Hannah is out of her car seat. And here's Mama. Here she is.
Well, Hannah did not like that. She was crying the whole time. And now I gotta put the car seats back in the car. And then, hey Hannah, we're gonna put the car seats back in the car. And then we'll go get ice cream, okay?
Look,
Do you want ice cream?
I did it.
Nice job, Liliana. We got ice cream cones. We're stopping by real quick. The kids were so great while we were cleaning out the car, so we're gonna eat our ice cream cones, and then we're gonna go pick up Logan. Oh, you got an ice cream cone face, you silly goose. You want a napkin? How was camp?
Good.
It was your last one, huh?
We're at the park and they're going to start camp again soon.
We're at the park now. We're gonna go play, and next year they're gonna do camp.
We're going.
I don't think
go
you
up
quite
to-
understand.
We're going to go up there and play hide and seek and stuff.
You wanna go play hide and seek and stuff?
Yeah, but there's not very many hiding spots.
Okay, so tell everyone, which camp was your favorite camp?
The scavenger hunt.
The scavenger hunt?
And the other girl liked the scavenger hunt because of she liked it when they listened.
The instructor liked it when you listened?
Yeah.
And everybody listened at the scavenger hunt? Alright, well we're gonna go play at the park for a little bit, and then we're gonna take
going to
Hannah.
go up there.
Oh, he just wants to go play on the hill, not at the park. But we're gonna go play either way. We are home from the park, and Hannah took a nap. Hannah, did you take a nap?
Baby.
Baby. And now the girls and I are playing with our babies, because they wanted to stop and play babies. You have a baby, Liliana?
She's huge.
And Logan, what are you doing? Are you shooting? You got one gun there. How many more weapons do you have on you?
I got this one,
That one?
this one, and
That one?
this one.
And that one. So 4 weapons. 2 guns, 1 sword, and 1 knife. Is that right?
Yeah, I got 2 guns and 1 knife and 1 sword.
What are you going to do with that many weapons?
Fight.
Who are you going to fight?
I don't know. There's giants and hunters, robots, and shield guys.
Oh my goodness.
And there's only one more thing left. Sword guys!
Can you protect Hannah and Liliana and I?
Yeah, because of the babies are ours.
Yeah, our babies are here.
Maybe I should put my baby back because she's asleep.
Oh, did your baby go to sleep? She's so tired, huh?
It's all out.
Oh no.
I got this.
You're gonna go fight too?
This
Okay.
one is out of bullet.
Okay, good. Go fight, guys. Hannah, are they gonna keep you safe? Are you gonna be safe?
Never gets out of bullets. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
There they go.
Slice their heads off.
What was your favorite part about today, guys?
My favorite part was when I played with that baby.
When you played with the babies?
And my favorite part when I was fighting.
What about when you went to camp today? Wasn't that your favorite part?
I liked all of the camp.
You love camp, huh?
Yeah, they're going to start camp another day.
Yeah, they are, huh?
And today was the last camp.
Today was the
And
last one?
we are going to go to bed.
So we are getting really excited because my parents are coming out to visit and they are going to be here soon and we are so excited. But that means we need to get the house clean and I am trying to finish up my KonMari stuff before that happens. I have tons of boxes and bags and bins full of stuff to go to Goodwill, and now we just have to go drop it off, take it all in the car and get rid of it, and then I want to be finished with the house, all KonMari'd up before they get here, and then we can work on the storage unit while they're still here. It has, I think, been helping me have more time, at least more peace, because the counters are cleaner and everything else. I'll have to show you guys what I did there. When we next update, I will show you guys all of that, and it's gonna be really great. Until then, we are signing off. So you guys are awesome, and we appreciate you being here. If it's your first time joining us, we would love to have you subscribe
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah, like if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a colossal day.
Peace out and give us a big thumbs